Hey guys!
My name is Michael.
And my name is Shota, and welcome to the 4th episode of New Realm Japan.
Today we are covering Komazawa Daigaku Station.
Alright, without further ado, let's get to know the station a little bit.
Let's go!
Komazawa Daigaku Station is a station in Setagaya, Tokyo. Setagaya is one of the 23 special districts of Tokyo that's located in the southwestern part of Tokyo. Setagaya is also the biggest district in Tokyo by population, and it's mostly residential. Approximately 950,000 people call Setagaya home, and the district itself has a bigger population than the city of San Francisco. Komazawa Daigaku Station is located right on the edge of the southern border between Setagaya and Meguro District.
Komazawa Daigaku Station was named after Komazawa University, which is located near the station.
Komazawa Daigaku area is a college town, and a lot of businesses are catered towards younger demographics. Also, it gets lively with many students at night. There's also a park right next to Komazawa University called Komazawa Olympic Park. Some of the facilities were used by the Olympic athletes as a training ground for the Tokyo 2021 Olympic Games.
Komazawa Daigaku Station belongs to a subway line called the Tokyo Dentoshi Line. The Dentoshi Line is a train line that connects Shibuya Station to Chuo Rinkan Station in Yamato City, Kanagawa Prefecture. Komazawa Daigaku Station is only 7 minutes away from Shibuya Station, which is one of the busiest hub stations in Tokyo.
It is also close to a popular spot called Futakotamagawa Station. Futakotamagawa Station is basically a newly developed station with a cluster of massive shopping malls. They even have one of the few Cinnabon shops, and it's a big deal. You can get to Futakotamagawa Station in about 8 minutes by train. And here's some of the pros and cons of living in this area. Komazawa Olympic Park is absolutely massive and only 7 minutes away from the station. The running and biking tracks are about 2 kilometers long, and the park also has a dog park, which is pretty rare to find in Tokyo. Living near Shibuya Station costs a lot, but Komazawa Daigaku Station is one of the cheapest stations around that area, and also only 7 minutes and 3 stations away from Shibuya Station. The Metropolitan Expressway and Tamagawa Street cut right through the area, and the noise and car exhaust caused by the heavy traffic can be a problem if you live near the main street. Dentoshi Line is notorious for getting crowded during rush hours. Especially the trains that go towards Shibuya during rush hours are known to be one of the crowdest trains. Also, this one is kind of contradicting with the third pro, but it's not the cheapest area to live in. It's only cheap compared to the stations that are close to Shibuya, so if your main focus is to save money, this may not be the station for you. And here's the number of businesses within a kilometer radius. Okay, now that you have a little understanding of the area, let's actually go walk around the neighborhood. Right outside of the station is the main street, and that's where you find most of the businesses in the area. There are many restaurants and supermarkets along the main street. They're all concentrated in the same area and making it very convenient. This is a local market where you can find fresh vegetables and fruits. It looks like it's been around forever. This is a chain grocery store called Maruetsu near Komazawa Daigaku Station. It's not the cheapest grocery store chain, but it's fairly sizable and you can find most things here at reasonable price. This is Crisp Salad Works, a chain restaurant specialized in custom salads. Right near Komazawa University, there's an American fitness gym chain called Anytime Fitness. Unlike most gyms in Japan, Anytime Fitness has actual machines and weights, if you know what I mean. Now, we have arrived at Komazawa Olympic Park, which is one of the main spots in the Komazawa Daigaku Station area. As you can see on the map, Komazawa Olympic Park is one of the largest parks in Tokyo at about 410,000 square meters. At the entrance of the park, there's a nice cafe called Mr. Farmer. In this cafe, you can also enjoy dishes with fresh vegetables purchased from contract farmers all over the country. This cafe also has an outside seating area and you can enjoy the sun while you enjoy their coffee and food. Now that we've had a good rest, let's head deeper into the park. On our way to the back of the park, we encountered a rare animal. We have no idea what that is, but whatever that is very cute. Does anybody know what that is? If you do, please tell us in the comment section. Komazawa Olympic Park consists of approximately 20 different facilities, including soccer fields, baseball fields, tennis courts, and many more. As the name of the park suggests, Komazawa Olympic Park was the venue for various events at the 1964, aka the OG Tokyo Olympic Games. The Olympic Monument, the symbol of the park, is a must-see structure when you visit the park, according to the park website. We thought it was just okay. The park built basketball courts on the sides of the bridges that connect the two parts of the park. Would you like to have fun with your dog? No worries, the park has dedicated space for your dogs to run around. As you can see, this park is full of dogs.
And we found a new friend. This dog probably eats better food than we do. This is a ramen restaurant that serves a type of ramen called ieke ramen. Ieke ramen is one of Michael's favorite foods. We were very hungry, so we went into the restaurant. Personally, it was the best ieke ramen I've ever had. This is an old bakery named Paon Shogetsu, which was established in 1946. The bakery is famous for its red bean bread with whipped cream. So who's Komazawa Daigaku Station for? We think it's a good place for people who want to live as close to Shibuya as possible. Because Komazawa Daigaku Station is only 7 minutes away from Shibuya by train and only 3 stations away. Also, the Komazawa Olympic Park and many restaurants are conveniently located near the station, making it a relatively popular spot. In fact, it is ranked 13th in the ranking of the best places to live in Tokyo. If you like sports, dog park, and other activities, this is definitely one of the spots we'd recommend. What did you guys think of Komazawa Daigaku Station? Would you live here? Let us know in the comment section.
Hope you have some idea of how it is to live in this area, and we hope you'll find your perfect place to live and have fun. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.